This is the quarterback rating worksheet. So you have 4 problems to do, which calculate a college quarterback's passer rating, which is a lot easier to understand than the NFL one. Anyway, it is 8.4 times the number of yards attained in the completions, plus 330 times the number of touchdowns, plus 100 times the number of completions, minus 200 times the number of interceptions all over your attempts. And that is the passer rating. So number 1 should work out to be 98 as you do it. The max is 1261.6 and the minimum is negative 731.6. So that's an example of a college one. So here's an example of one in the NFL. So you got to calculate the A, B, and C and D. This is great for a spreadsheet. I'm sure that's as they have built-in programs in the NFL that does this. You just enter the passer step in. And so these, on this page of notes here, you need to go through and do this with the concept that if the result of A, B, C, and D are less than 0, then the value you use is 0. If the result is more than 2.375, then you just use 2.375. So in the calculating of those for the back of this, the A, the B, and the D are more than 2.375, or they end up being that. And so you use that, and then the C is 0.7407. So you add those up, divide by 6, and multiply by 100. Now, why it's like that, I'm sure the statisticians want to try to get a certain kind of number to come out based on how quarterbacks, are performing. I'm sure that's the key there. The maximum passer rating, 158.3, and the minimum is 0 with this. So note that. And so you have 3 more to do with this. Pretty easy stuff to do, but it's just good to be aware of how passer ratings happen in the NFL and in college. Again, take readable pics of this and email me your solutions.